Good morning. Tax 3, Playing the Trips, English B1. Present by Isabela Sánchez Avendaño. Group 1458. Guatavita. Guatavita is a beautiful colonial municipality located in the department of Cundinamarca. It is a cute, pleasant place with varied atmosphere. It is a tourist place since it is a character by legends and stories. If you want to visit Guatavita, you can make plans of 3 days and 2 nights. Means of transportation. If you plan the trip to Guatavita, the means of transportation are bus, taxi, tour from the main square to the different attractions of private car. Tour place. Laguna de Guatavita, considered by the Muiscas as a place of connecting, is a beautiful place. You enjoy by view as you go tour. The horizon is full of flowers, trees, and blue sky. Embalse de Tominé. You can do water sport, enjoy the sailboat and walks around the reservoir. There are restaurants, tranquility and view. Iglesia Nuestra Señora de los Dolores. It is a tower of a modern form. The tombs people visit frequently has small ornaments in glass and lamps. La Casa Loca. Construction made of head veins and anatomies. Is a house furnished and with a fun atmosphere. Place to stay. 1. Muescas Hotel Inn. Place characterized by its cleanliness, tranquility, and excellent location. 2. Hospedaje Casablanca. Located in Guatavita and offers restaurant, bar, garden, and terrace. Its space are large and there is a lot of tranquility. 3. Glamping de lujo. Location in Guatavita. It offers a place full of tranquility, harmony, and look and leisure space. Lots of natural and recreation space with the family. Typical al fondo. Con chicha, panela, water with cheese and almoham or arepas. Garlic throw. The cost for the tour of each of the tourist activities, hotel, food, and transport has a cost of 350,000 of person, offering a trip of 3 days and 2 nights. Comment and enjoy. Thank you.